back with another video, and today's video is going to be a full face of Uoma beauty. So if this is your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also make sure you go ahead and click the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you can always be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. You also want to make sure you're following me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also subscribed to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. Also, if you're part of the hashtag notification gang and you've already clicked that little bell, make sure you comment down below hashtag notification gang so you can get a shout out in one of my future videos. Hey guys, today's notification gang shout out goes to Millicent Spears. Thank you so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang. And if you want a shout out in my future video, go ahead and comment hashtag notification gang down in the comment section and you could get a shout out in the next one. All right. Back to the video. So let me show y'all what I have today. I'm really excited. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, I am wearing a sports bra. Girl, I'm getting to the end of my pregnancy and I'm running out of stuff to wear for y'all, and I'm not about to go buy a whole bunch of clothes for like 4 more weeks. Okay, so this is where we at. So I do have the new Uoma Beauty Black Magic Carnival palette, and it is a very colorful spring palette, honey. This is spring in a palette, and Jackie Aina and Patrick Starr are the faces of this entire campaign, which I thought was really cute. And I'm really enjoying the colors in this palette. I feel like I want to use like the orange and the yellow and these like brown shades right here. I don't know, girl. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. I also ended up purchasing one of the highlighters. So this is the highlighter in Notting Hill, and it's really, really pretty. I did haul these products in my last haul video, so if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you check that video out. But these, they're just so gorgeous, like I can't even deal. I also have a brow pencil from Uoma, as well as their foundation and concealer. So we're gonna be using a lot of their products today, mixed with some others. Oh, almost forgot, I do have this lip color as well. So let's stop talking and just jump right in. Okay, so we are going to do the brows. I've never used this brow pencil before. This is the Uoma Beauty Baby Hair. What is this just called? The Baby Hair Brow Pencil, and it's in the shade number 6. It's one of those really skinny brow pencils. It has the pencil on one end and the spoolie on the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal 1-2 with the brows. With my brow pencils, I do like the way this pencil kind of went on. It wasn't too waxy, and it wasn't too what's the opposite of waxy? Whatever the opposite of waxy is. It wasn't too that. Like, it really just glided through my hair, and it definitely made some really cute like hair-like strokes that look really natural. So I do really like this brow pencil so far. Obviously I'm gonna have to keep using it, but so far we're good. Alright, so now we're gonna move into the eyes. I'm really excited. Y'all know color ain't really my thing, but we're gonna move into the eyes and just see what we can do here. So I think I'm gonna start with this shade Oro Oro. It's just this rust color shade. Like, if you guys could have guessed what shade I was going to start with, then you probably knew it was going to be this one. So I'm going to take this blending brush. This is the Sedona Lace 863, and it's just a nice little blending brush. I'm going to take the shade and I'm just going to add it to my crease area. And it is spring, y'all, so we got to step on out of our neutral box. I know a lot of y'all are neutral people, just like me, but it's spring. I know in some places it doesn't feel like it. It's only 30-something degrees here today in Ohio. Plus we're quarantined in the house, you know, so it doesn't really feel like spring, but you know what? We are going to put some smiles on our faces and get some positive energy going. Do some bright colors, and we're gonna make it feel like spring. How about that? So the nice thing about this look is that it will be, like I said, bold and colorful. So you don't have to be super precise on your crease color. Just really get it blended in there so it can help blend the other colors that we're going to apply. So I just want to make sure it's nice and soft and diffused and blended, because these colors are super pigmented. So I heard. This one's really pigmented. I haven't even swatched the others, so we'll see. But all right, so the next color I'm gonna take is this orange right here. This one is in the shade Notting Hill, so it's actually the same color as, or the same name as the actual highlighter that we have. But I'm gonna take this orange shade and I'm just gonna add it to like my inner portion of my eye, probably the inner first half of my eye. Oh wow, okay. I feel like it would have been even more pigmented had I not put that crease color on there. We'll note that for next time. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. I would have guessed that with this pigmented shade. But you can definitely tell the shade is orange. Yeah, I definitely feel like I should have settled out that crease color, but we'll make it work. So let's move on. I'm gonna take this deeper brown shade right here. This one's in the shade Mazatalan. So I'm gonna take that right there, and I'm gonna use, this is the Profusion, doesn't have a name, but it's like a smaller little blending brush. And then this one was the Morphe M503 that I used for the orange, just FYI. So I'm gonna take this brown shade and I'm just gonna hit the outer portion of the eye. That helps tie it in and just make it a little more wearable, in my opinion. You just want to make sure you're diffusing out the edges to make sure that the colors blend in well together. All right, y'all, that was easy enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my liner and also my lashes, and I will be right back to start on the face. Boom. So let's keep going. Eye look is complete for now. I'm gonna add something in the inner corner and probably something on the lower lash line in a bit, but for now, let's just move along. So we've already primed our face using that Lorac primer. I'm going to use the Uoma foundation. If you guys remember, I did a foundation review on this foundation when it first came out. Like, that was a long time ago. So this is the Uoma Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. So it's the soft matte plus it's hydrating, okay? I am in the shade number Bronze Venus T2C. That's my shade. So just gonna shake it up and add it to the face. paying attention to applying my foundation, but I am totally continuously staring at the eyes. I love these colors, y'all. We are going to be doing so many more colorful looks. Y'all tell me what colors y'all want to see me work with, because I am absolutely loving color on the face, y'all. Y'all know I'm not a colorful girl. Your girl does neutrals. However, this color is looking better and better as much as I look at it. Like, the more I look at it, the more I'm like, why weren't you doing colorful looks before? I don't know. And this one isn't even a crazy one. Like, I feel like I could totally wear this out. Like, it's just almost like a sunset eye. I could definitely wear this out. Keeping it in the family, let's go for the Uoma Stay Woke Concealer. And this one, I have the shade T2 Honey. So I'm just gonna conceal underneath my eyes. You guys have seen me use this before. You guys have probably seen me use this more than I've used the actual foundation. Just gonna go a little up on the nose. Love the way that concealer blends in. Why don't I use that more? I love doing these videos where I go back and use products that I haven't used in a while, because I'm always like, why haven't I been using this? Like, what is your problem, girl? Because this concealer blends so well. Look at that. Y'all, so let's go back and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna do something super simple on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna take just this dark brown shade and I'm going to add that to just my lower lash line area. I'm also going to take this new highlighter from Uoma in Notting Hill, and I'm going to use this as my inner corner shade for my eyes. Then I'm also going to add this to my high points of the face. So the last thing I'm going to do is use this YvetteLuvsBeauty. This is a lipstick in the shade Aretha, and it's like this really pretty brown mauve. So we're going to go ahead and use that. y'all, so here is the final look. I actually think it's really dope. I am in love with this eyeshadow palette, or at least this look I created. So I'm gonna try to create some more and throw some more looks up on Instagram for you guys, because I'm really loving the color. Your girl might be color from here on out, okay, for the rest of the damn foreseeable future, because this is gorgeous. Now, the one thing I will say is that I would have chosen probably a different lip color, maybe a lighter nude or something else, but I wanted to stick with the Uoma theme, and this is the lip color that I had from them, so this is what we used. It still goes with the look. It still looks beautiful, but I probably would have just like lightened it up just a smidget. Other than that, I do love this palette. I loved the blendability of the shades. Sometimes when you get really pigmented shades like this, they don't blend well and they just don't look good. They're kind of choppy on the eyes. I don't have a problem with that whatsoever. I feel like these colors blended in together very well. I didn't know how the eye look was gonna turn out when we first started, but after finishing it up, I mean, it just looks beautiful and blended. And the highlighter also very gorgeous gold. This isn't for someone with light skin, so I would keep that in mind, but someone my skin tone or deeper, I think this is beautiful. You can probably also use this as an eyeshadow if you do have lighter skin and you happen to purchase this. I want to say there were 2 highlighters in this collection and this one was the lightest one, and that's why I picked it up. So I mean, I'm kind of loving the look. The foundation and concealer look absolutely flawless. And yeah, that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video in my sports bra. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or video ideas, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you, or just stop by and say hello. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.